Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Welcome back.
We're now in Verona. We left Rome after a wonderful 4 days in Rome. We got into Verona this morning. Well, I guess it was this afternoon.
Train was a little delayed. We took the Italo train from Rome to Verona. A couple stops. It was very smooth.
Very smooth.
Very crowded. We were surprised. It was
Very
so
crowded.
We had Prima or first class, so we had reserved seats. That was fine. But yeah, that worked just fine getting here. Very scenic across the way. Again, kind of looked like rolling hills of central Pennsylvania. Yeah. The occasional castle.
Yes. Yeah.
But it was a good time. We got into Verona around, the train came in about noon.
Yeah, by the time we got a taxi, because there was a long line for a taxi.
Yeah. Taxis do come to the train station a little slower. It's one or two at a time, but they did come by.
Yeah, they came by. And we're staying in
Hotel San Marco.
Gorgeous, just beautiful hotel.
Spa hotel, very affordable.
It's very modern, very clean.
Yep.
Very roomy. The beds, it must be just in Europe. They're not
so far. Not what we're used to at home. Certainly,
what
it's
we're
not our
used
bed.
to.
But hey, it's Europe.
Yeah, it's very nice.
I'm very happy with that.
And then we went to Juliet's house.
Yep.
This is what I've been wanting to do for a long time.
What you had been looking forward to the whole time.
Been looking forward to, and it was not a disappointment. Well, a little bit, because you didn't see any of the letters, for the.
It was, they had.
Construction again.
They had plywood up over all of the walls, so I'm not sure if it was construction or they're preserving it or. Yeah. But we get to go see Juliet.
Yeah.
And we'll drop some photos.
Yeah, we'll drop some photos.
Yeah, so we did the touristy thing, but
and
they queued us up. Did move pretty fast. It's free admission to the courtyard. But that was fine. You found a nice little shop next door that
wonderful shop
did
next door.
some embroidery for you while you waited very quickly.
Yeah, special embroidery, and so.
Yeah. So unfortunately, because the train was in a little late, I had to get back to work. We missed the arena.
We didn't get to spend as much time.
Yeah, we wanted to go to the arena. We didn't get enough time there. We did stop in the piazza there by Juliet's house. Grabbed a couple paninis that were great. We brought back to eat. And I worked for the afternoon, and then this evening we found on Google Maps right around the corner from the hotel, Pizzeria Stadio Delle, and it's been here since 1984, and it was just this. They don't speak any English. We were using Google Translate to go back and forth. Service was phenomenal. Pizzas delicious. Yeah. And beautiful.
Yes, highly recommend that if you're in the Verona area.
And so we're going to head to Venice tomorrow, but we'll definitely be back for some more pizza tomorrow night, different styles. Yeah. So, but it was absolutely delicious. Yeah. Anything else about Verona today?
No, it was we didn't spend as much time as we wanted to, but
we'll probably be back. It was a nice, cute little town, very quiet, a little laid back, and we kind of like that. So. We're kind of doing a whirlwind tour here and figuring out where we'd like to come back to, and so far that could be a place.
Yeah, it could be. Thanks for watching.
Absolutely. See you soon.
See you soon.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please consider subscribing. It means a lot to us and helps our channel grow.